In this video, I will be showing you how to install Deepseek on Windows. Let's get started. First, I make sure I am on the official Deepseek chat page in my web browser. From here, I navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on the 3 vertical dots to open the browser menu. I scroll down the list of options until I reach Cast, Save, and Share. Hovering over this option opens a side menu, where I select Install Page as App. A prompt immediately pops up asking if I want to install this page as an application, showing the title, Deepseek, into the unknown. I go ahead and click the blue Install button to confirm. Once I do that, a brand new, dedicated window opens up, separating Deepseek from my regular browser tabs so it runs just like a native desktop app on my Windows computer. I maximize this window to have a clean, full-screen workspace. Now, let's test it out to make sure everything is working perfectly. I click inside the message box at the bottom of the screen and type in a query, asking it to explain how inflation affects savings, salaries, and everyday expenses. To send the message, I click on the blue arrow button on the right. Deepseek starts generating a highly detailed response right away. I scroll down slowly so we can see the full breakdown of the answer. The response starts with the effect of inflation on savings, describing it as a hidden tax that quietly erodes the purchasing power of money sitting in traditional checking accounts. As I keep scrolling, we see the second section, which details the lag effect on salaries. This explains how price increases usually happen immediately, while pay adjustments often lag behind. Moving further down, we find the third section, which covers the sticker shock of everyday expenses, highlighting concepts like shrinkflation, where products get smaller but prices stay the same. Finally, I scroll to the very bottom to view the ultimate takeaway, which summarizes the divide between fixed and flexible financial assets and offers great advice on how to protect our finances. Having this standalone app makes accessing these detailed insights incredibly quick, clean, and convenient. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.